to Kicha's Taste Time. We'll be tasting all the yummy treats from marketplaces, and we'll try all the brand new yummy treats. Wingreens had sent me this chip and dip and an array of chips. So the flavors are Parmesan and Mediterranean Herbs, Jalapeno, Tangy Cheese. Comes in two sizes too, a small and a medium. So the small one is a net weight of 60 grams and the big one is a net weight of 150 grams. So let's start with the Parmesan and Mediterranean Herbs. First, let's read the packet a little bit. They're baked pita chips. They're not fried chips, but baked. So they're much more healthier. So let's begin with the Parmesan and Mediterranean Herbs. One thing I want to say about the packaging is it looks so cool. I love the design. And but just by looking at the picture, I feel like eating it. I think there's a feeling that everyone gets whenever you get a new product. Way and a nice way. It's crunchy with a cheesy flavor, and I get this taste of garlic bread and herbs, which is so good. I think I love this. So let's see how much chips is in this packet. First, let's take the bowl. Let's add it. Whoa! Oh no, they're spilling. No. Well, that's okay. Let's just clean this up. Mama, please, I'm sorry. I made an entire mess on the floor too. I would also say these are one of the best I've had. So let's go on with the next one. So now I'm going to have it with Wingreens Peri Peri Hummus. To my knowledge, hummus is from the Middle Eastern side, which I love. So let's dig in. Wow. Let's try one. It smells so good. Tastes so good. Like me, if you like a little spice in your pita chips, it's a perfect dip for you. This is awesome. Just a little warning, it's a little bit hot. So I had to drink some water in between. But it's super awesome. And I would eat this with dosa, chapati, even idli. It's so good. And for Indians, it's a nice spiciness. 150 grams and 200 rupees. There are many other options too. There are many flavors also, like original olive hummus, chipotle, peri peri, garlic dip, etc. Let's move on to the next chip. The jalapeno. Wow, it smells like real jalapeno and tastes super good. So let's see how it tastes. It's much thinner than this one, as you can see. This is the jalapeno. This is the Parmesan cheese. So as you can see the differences, it's much more thinner and a darker shade of color. This too has that spicy smell. So let's taste it. It has a really strong taste of jalapenos and I'm getting a mild mixed spices flavor. It has spices which include jalapenos, pepper, ginger, cumin, coriander. But I think this has won the crown. It tastes super good. Now I don't know about tangy cheese. Let's see. So this is the Wingreens Appitas jalapeno flavored pita chips. This is the Wingreens Appitas Tangy Cheese pita chips. And I can't wait because I love the tangy flavor. And I think this would win the crown. I love the color because it just shows that it's a tangy flavor with a little bit of spice to it. So let's see. Let me just check the flavors. No, I don't want to check the ingredients because I don't want to get any clue. So let's see what is hidden in this small chip. So you want one? Have it. Yum. So let's try it. It has a taste of mixed Indian spices. It has a balance of tanginess and sweetness, a mild spiciness. So if you're not a fan of spicy, no problem. Or if you are a fan of spicy, you can have it with the Peri Peri Hummus. You want to try it? Let's eat. And they are correct. Congratulations, the winner is Tangy Cheese. The actual winner should be the Peri Peri Hummus. It's the best. It's so good. It is a balance of sourness, sweetness, and a load of spiciness, which I love. And I hope you will love too. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to drink some water. I'm going to cry. I'm going to cry. Sorry for the reaction. It's super hot and super amazing. Oh, I went with this because I thought it would be nice, but wow, it tastes super awesome too. But I had a little overreaction with the so much spicy. I think I took a little too much. But I think it'll be best with dill izartazik. Is that how we pronounce it? I don't know. Okay, this is the jalapeno one. I'm taking it third because the others were a little better than this. And second, this is the big deal. Is it A, Parmesan and Mediterranean Herbs, or B, Tangy Cheese? It's your guess. And if someone messages me telling me the right one, nothing will happen. I'll just say thank you. So, which one is it? Well, I love spicy, so it's Tangy Cheese. I love the flavor. I love the tangy flavor with that nice and sweet. I would give Tangy Cheese a 10 on 10. Parmesan and Mediterranean Herbs maybe a 9.45, and Appitas a 9. But I loved every one of them. So let's check the prices. The small one is for 40 rupees. The big ones are for 95 rupees. And this one is for 200 rupees. But they're still all worth it as they're super yummy. I love the Appitas Pita chips, which I could eat guilt-free because they were baked and super healthy. They go well with the yummy dips. Thank you very much, Wingreens, for sending me these products. See you next time with the next product in Kicha's Taste Time, where we'll be tasting all the yummy treats from marketplaces. Bye guys!